Hello darlings, my name is Stephen Davies and I'm the Knob by the Hop. Good morning everybody, Steve Davis, Knob by the Hop here. Today I'm going to cook something for breakfast. Something I've not done before. It's a variation on a dish that Adam, my partner's mother, did. So it's going to be scrambled eggs with sour cream and then smoked salmon on the top with some sour cream and dill. And we're going to serve it with some brioche buns. Later, you can also have, one of the recipes does with crayfish tails, but I couldn't get any crayfish, so I'm gonna have smoked salmon. So first of all, I'm gonna do the little smoked salmon mix. This is, I always get the same smoked salmon from, it's John Ross one I always use from Selfridges. Selfridges from Waitrose, really nice. Just chop up the smoked salmon. I do quite a lot of smoked salmon because Adam loves salmon and he eats quite a lot. Put in a little bit of dill with it. Dill as a herb goes really well with salmon. A little bit of pepper. And some sour cream. This is just one from Waitrose again. Just mix that. Together, and that's going to just go on top of the scrambled eggs. So then next, the scrambled eggs. See my new little bowls here. Got from a little shop in Wales. You can look at my perfect scrambled eggs recipe on the on my YouTube. And then I just put a knob of butter in the pan. I put a knob of butter in first, but as you all know, my Uncle Dennis puts a knob of butter at the end. Okay, add the eggs. A little bit of dill. And put a little dollop of sour cream in as well. A couple of dollops of sour cream. Because I don't like to muck around with the eggs too much, let them just cook.
So what is the sour cream kind of adding to the scrambled eggs?
It just adds a bit of just another smoothie richness. It's got a little sharpness to it. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon in at the end as well. It goes nicely with the dill. There is a dish where you actually put the sour cream and the dill in the pan and then you poach the eggs in the sour cream. And that's what actually Adam's mother makes, which is very, very nice. Sour cream is a thing they use a lot in Hungarian cooking. They love their sour cream. Don't worry about mixing in the sour cream too much. I quite like, when you're eating it, then it's a nice creamy bit and an eggy bit. I like that. You can always add a little bit more. To the dish. My actual Claire doesn't like eggs, so she's going to have a bacon sandwich this morning. And actually, it's funny, one of my best friends, Jonathan, he can't stand eggs either. So okay, so I said I like my eggs a little wet, so that's enough now. We'll cook a little bit more in the pan because it's hot. I'm going to toast the buns. So then, take your toasted bun, put some of the eggs on top, like that. Put a little bit more dill. Then add the smoked salmon and dill mix that I made a bit earlier onto the top. Lemon slice at the side, but I'd squeeze a little bit of lemon over it as well. Finish off with just a little bit more dill. There you have it. My smoked salmon, dill, sour cream, and scrambled eggs on brioche bun. So if you want to see more of my recipes, then subscribe to my YouTube channel.